Hello, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, and if you are new, consider subscribing even as we look at these questions under Trigonometry ECZ paper 1. So the first question is saying this is a 2017 question, and it is saying it is given that triangle PQR below is right angled at R, so it is right angled at R here. QR is 4 centimeters and tan QPR is equal to 4/3. This is a question which you are given, and what are you told? The first thing that you are told to find is that you find sine this PQR. PQR, they want you to find the sine of that. In other words, they want you to find sine Q. This is what you are told. So what are you supposed to do? You know that for sine, you will know that it is sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. This is what we know using SOHCAHTOA. I believe you know what SOHCAHTOA is. SOHCAHTOA, we know what it is, like this. This is how we get to write it. This is what helps us. The first one, this is sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. This is cos. Cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. This is tan. Tan is opposite over adjacent. So we are on sine. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So in this case, what is our opposite? The angle is Q there. So this side is the opposite. This is our opposite. This is the where this thing is pointing. That is our hypotenuse. So that is our hypotenuse. Then this side is called the adjacent. This is the adjacent. So in this case, what we need to find is that the first thing that we need to know is what is the opposite. Opposite is what? Are we given the opposite? Are we given the opposite? Are we given the opposite? So we know that in the question we are given what? We are given tan. We know that tan there is what? They are saying tan QPR. QPR. So that one which is there, tan opposite. Opposite is this one. So that is the opposite. Then this is the adjacent for P. So opposite, this is 4. Then the adjacent, which is down here, according to tan, which we are given, we've got a 3 here. So meaning this side is a 3. That is for what? That is for tan. So I've just interpreted tan. So when it is here, then the angle is there. This is the opposite. This is the adjacent. So we already have the opposite to the angle which we want to find in the question now. So this one now, we already have the opposite, which is the 3. Then what is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse, we find the hypotenuse using the Pythagoras theorem. You know that this is a right angle. So you say, the way we get to find the hypotenuse there, you say hypotenuse is equal to, you add these two, square them. This plus 3 squared. Where you say hypotenuse squared is equal to. So when you add these, you are going to get 25. Introduce the square root there. You are going to have your answer, which is 5. So the hypotenuse is 5 there. So meaning even here you put a 5. So this is 3/5, where you just conclude and say, therefore, sine PQR is equal to 3/5. This is what you need to do. These are the steps that you need to consider. Hope you've understood. So first you interpret this. For this one, the angle is there, P. So meaning this is the opposite. This is the adjacent for tan. So adjacent we already know. Now we come back to our question. The question was saying sine PQR. So Q is there. So this one is the opposite for that one. So the opposite, we already have the 3, which was the adjacent to what? It was the adjacent to what? To the angle there. But we are on that one. So the angle which is there, if the opposite is that one, when you go there, you cannot say the opposite is still that one. No, the opposite for that one is this one. The opposite for this one is that one. They are different. So this is what you need to know and understand. So we've answered the first question. Let us now go to the next question, which is a 2018 question that came. So this is paper 1. So this is another question. This is a 2018 ECZ paper 1 question that came. So I want us to revise through even this question. We see how we can answer it and how we can handle such a question. So the question reads, in the diagram below, AC is equal to 10 centimeters. Angle ABC is equal to 90 degrees, the one which is there. And angle BAC is equal to 30. BAC, the angle there, is equal to 30 degrees. Calculate BC. You want to calculate the BC, the side which is there. So you are going to use what is given. The angle is there. This is the opposite. So that is the opposite. Where this thing is pointing there, that is the hypotenuse. So on the word Sokatoa, on this word, so this is the word that gets to help us. Where do we have the opposite and the hypotenuse? Opposite is there, hypotenuse is there. So we use what? Sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. This is what we are going to use, because hypotenuse is given, opposite we don't know, but it is the one that we want to find. So like this, you say sine, what is the angle given? Angle given is 30, which is equal to opposite is the one you want to find, over what is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is 10, like this. So you say over 1, then you cross multiply. So when you cross multiply, you are going to have like 0, which is the opposite, is equal to, so this is the opposite. Opposite is equal to sine 30 times 10, like this. So I gave you special angles. 30 degrees is one of the special angles. So opposite is equal to, what is sine 30? Is half 1 over 2. 1 over 2 times 10. What answer are you getting? You are getting a 5. So just say 5 what? Centimeters. Since the distance is given in centimeters. So in other words, 5 centimeters. So half times 10, that is 5 centimeters. So this is how we've answered the question. Then you just conclude and say, therefore, this is the opposite, which was BC. So just say BC, which you were told to find, is equal to 5 centimeters. Like this, you are done. These are the steps that you need to do. This is what you need to know and understand. Thank you so much. So we've revised through 2 past paper questions that are very important under trigonometry paper 1. Thank you so much. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share and comment. And I want to know where you are watching me from. And if you know someone that is rewriting mathematics, chemistry, physics, or they want tuitions, they are grade 10, 11, 12, they can WhatsApp me on this line. Or if it is you, you can WhatsApp me on this line. Then I will be able to help you with mathematics, science. Okay, so this is my WhatsApp number, +2609710667447. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and comment.